Today we're diving into the features of the Delta Faucet Arvo 14 Series single-handle tub and shower trim kit in stunning matte black, a perfect blend of style and functionality. This kit includes the Delta MultiChoice universal shower valve, making it compatible with most Delta shower trim kits, allowing you to upgrade your shower without the hassle of tearing out expensive tile or altering plumbing. Experience the luxury of the Intuition 2-in-1 dual handheld showerhead with hose, offering the versatility to use the hand shower separately or docked for a truly customizable shower experience. Choose from 4 powerful spray options, including full body spray, massaging spray, full body spray with massage, and a convenient pause feature. With the monitor pressure balanced valve cartridge, enjoy consistent shower temperatures, free from sudden changes caused by toilet flushing or running appliances. Plus, you can install with confidence, knowing that this Delta showerhead and trim kit are backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with the Delta Faucet Arvo 14 series, where innovation meets elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.